Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we will learn simple English sentences while cooking breakfast. Listen carefully and repeat after each sentence. Let's begin.
Good morning. Good morning. I feel great today. I go to the kitchen. I want to make breakfast. I wash my hands. Clean hands are important. I open the refrigerator. I need some ingredients. I take out some eggs. The eggs look fresh. I take out some milk. I need milk for breakfast. I put the eggs on the counter. Now I am ready to cook. I get a frying pan. The pan is clean. I turn on the stove. The pan gets hot. I crack the eggs. The eggs go into the pan. I cook the eggs slowly. They smell very good. I add a little salt. Now they taste better. I toast some bread. The bread is getting crispy. I check the toast. It looks perfect. I put the eggs on a plate. Breakfast is almost ready. I put the toast on the plate. The meal looks nice. I pour some milk. I like milk in the morning. I sit at the table. Everything is ready. I eat my breakfast. It tastes delicious. I drink some milk. The milk is cold and fresh. I enjoy my meal. Breakfast makes me happy. I finish my food. I am full now. I take my plate. Time to clean up. I wash the dishes. The kitchen looks cleaner. I clean the counter. Everything is tidy. I put things away. The kitchen is organized. I dry my hands. I am finished cleaning. I look around the kitchen. Everything looks good. I am ready for the day. Today will be great. Have a nice day. Thank you. Great job. Now repeat the sentences again and practice your English every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning English with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye.